So guys, I tried to get this Simtoo folding drone up and running for you guys to show you some better video, show you some better of what it can do. However, I had all sorts of problems with this second one. Second one wouldn't would record video, but the second file got completely lost, corrupted. The second flight, the drone just would not function properly. Both of them had several different issues. One of them, things would work. The other one, other things didn't work. And overall, just wasn't 100% pleased with this thing. Anyways, guys, here is the two flight videos, what I have, what video I was able to get. Stay to the end. I've got the final crash video, and I've got my overall review of the Simtoo folding drone. Alright guys, sit back and relax and enjoy. So we'll take off. Hopefully it only goes to 1 meter height. Looks like this time it seems to be working. So I'm going to come out here. Nope, it's not working. Down, come down, down, down. Okay, you're going way too far. It's still saying 3 meters height, but it is way high. Very high. So we're going to land. So bring it back down. Still saying it's 0.3 meters high, but that ain't right. Alright, we're going to try this again. Do another takeoff. Okay. Let's see, it's not able to select me. Well, and it's going fly away. Alright, let's get this back going again. Yeah, you can see it's continually going higher and higher. Oh, well, we almost hit him. Meter there. It's going way too high. It's a nice aerial shot. But yeah, right now it's way too high. We're gonna bring it down. It's a little windy up there probably. We're gonna hit the land, bring it back down. Do some return to home here so we don't get into any trees. Come on. It's flying away. All right, well, it landed after a very, very near miss there. Let's go see. We're gonna let it keep running. I'm gonna cross this creek and go find it. All right, now that I've retrieved the Simtoo mobile drone, selfie drone, supposedly, from the other side of the icy creek, well, it attempted to find its GPS coordinates. It looked like it probably had lost it. Being up so high, I don't know why, but it decided that it lost the geo coordinates. And obviously height was not working on this one, and It did hit the ground. It did go through a tree and come down and hit the ground, which I will give it credit for. It did get righted, and it did stop itself from smacking the ground really hard once it did fall through the tree. So that is one positive of this drone. It did well in that regards. It did keep itself from smacking the ground too hard. However, it did smack the ground. Other than that, it seems to be in flyable condition yet, even after that sort of hit. A little beat up, a little dirty, but yeah, what can you expect? So yeah, this is my second one. The first one would not record video, but it seemed to do the height and in stable flight much better than this one did. This one does record, but obviously height and stable flight is not in its forte. Neither one of them was able to get any of the follow me features to work at all. So overall, I probably will give this an F for implementation, and design I'd probably give it a C+, because there are some nice things, the fact that it did self-right itself and attempt to keep itself from smacking the ground too hard. So overall, I give it's probably averages out to D. So honestly, I can't endorse it or say it's something that you guys should buy or shouldn't. Alright guys, well, if you are interested, check out the link in the description. I will keep a link there for you guys just so you can see it. Alright, take care.